Hey, good Saturday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this June the 22nd, 2013. It's been a kind of a mixture type of day. We started off with a little bit of sunshine across portions of eastern North Carolina, and now the rain has really taken over through the afternoon hours. Let's take a few shots from the Skycam network this afternoon. Here's the look from the Seahawk Inn and Villas down at Atlantic Beach, and you see the surface pretty rough down there. Rip current risk at the high category today. No one needs to be out in the waters this afternoon across the east, and that actually continues going into tomorrow, moderate to high risk. See the clouds really hanging tough down there. Good thing is the shower activity has capped off for this part of the 9 on your side viewing area down along Carteret County, but I wouldn't be surprised to see 1 or 2 more showers going into the next couple of hours. So don't be alarmed if you happen to run up on a few more showers this evening. And here's the look from the New Bern Skycam from atop the Bridgepoint Hotel and Marina, looking over the confluence of the Trent and Neuse rivers. Obviously cloudy skies. The sun once again trying to peek through some of these clouds. The temperature has bounced back up. It was around 80 early on this afternoon, 81 or so. It's back up to 78 after a nosedive with those showers that moved through there earlier today. You're in the dry slot right now, but wouldn't be surprised to see a few showers still linger around into Craven County as we head through the evening hours. Alright folks, on to the 12Z GFS run this afternoon, and just showing you guys what's going on across the east. We have that little piece of energy pushing across the area now, upper level disturbance back off to our west. That's also helping to enhance the shower activity across the east this evening. It should start to come down as we head into the next couple of hours. I think as we head towards especially midnight, we turn more isolated rather than scattered activity. It ended up being a little wetter than what we were expecting. Today was just one of those days the models were just not handling this system very well, and that's been the trend all week. That's why we have been branding it as uncertainty all week, just because it has just been one of those weeks where it's just not picking up on the solution very well. Going into tomorrow, the energy lifts north, but we still have the upper level disturbance, the main piece of energy, still back off to our west. This is going to be more of a summertime diurnal type of situation with the showers and thunderstorms across the east. With the southerly breeze, I think that what we're going to have to deal with is more so a mixture of sun and clouds, though some of the modeling is suggesting a little bit more cloud cover than sun. You'll see sunny breaks, we'll say that. You'll see sunny peaks here and there, but overall it'll be mostly cloudy to partly cloudy across the area with the scattered chances for showers and thunderstorms. It will be a warmer day than what we saw today. Most of us only made it up into the upper 70s to low 80s. Tomorrow, we'll try to go mid-80s for us. Here's a look on Monday, and we've got a southwesterly flow, a moist flow across the area. That's going to warm us up once again as we head into next week. Big-time warm-up. You see that 591 high just baking us with that southwest flow. And that's just going to be that warm Gulf moisture getting pulled up in here. Here's Tuesday. The ridge starts to break down a little bit. We get into more of a westerly flow. We wouldn't be surprised that day to have a touch cooler temperatures. I decided to come down just a touch on Tuesday just because we're not going to have the heights that we're going to see on Monday. I decided to go about 85 or so rather than the 87 I've got on Monday. Here's Wednesday. The heights start to come back up, and a little piece of energy comes on top of us. Still, it's going to be a scattered type of situation. It's going to be scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms for us heading in through next week, and that's going to be the story all next week. And you see a little bit of a trough right in through here, a little short wave. That would indicate possibly that lift northward with the sea breeze and also the little uplift that we'll have there to get those showers and thunderstorms going. We'll go into Friday and trough back off to the west. This is the one that we were watching earlier on this week. Just not as deep as it was. We were looking at this, say, on Thursday, and it was a deeper look as far as the actual trough is concerned, but huge ridge, and that's going to eventually translate as we head into Saturday. Starts to bring the trough down a little further, making it a little sharper. But overall, I think that the increase in rain chances are going to be just past this period. We're going to increase the rain chance on Saturday just because it's going to be right ahead of this cold front. But I think maybe Sunday may be the better chance. And look what happens here. I mean, has been continuing to back up with time. We've gone a little further ahead, and this big mega ridge and mega trough has been kind of backing up along with the model runs the past couple of days. So right now, next weekend looks uncertain as well until we can get a better understanding of when this trough is going to come through. It's just going to be a little increase in the rain chances for us as we head into next weekend. Still, overall, will be warm. Down to the surface we go on the 12Z GFS, and obviously what we've got going on is what we got going on at this point. As far as the rain showers are concerned, they'll continue to move on out of here and kind of diminish after midnight tonight. Now tomorrow, different story. We warm up. It should be an all-right day. I think that the coverage should be a lot less than what we saw today. Coastal areas likely going to be the better chance for seeing those showers and thunderstorms, those downpours tomorrow. No severe weather expected, but more of a diurnal up and down pulsing type of situation. Here's Monday once again, just scattered showers and thunderstorms as the Bermuda high takes hold of us. And like I said on Tuesday, the ridge kind of breaks down a little bit, so that's going to allow for the temperatures to touch down just a little bit as well as we head into Tuesday afternoon. Here's Wednesday, once again, scattered afternoon convection, because you can kind of see what happens. Not very much in the morning, and then it pops up during 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So, no rhyme or reason for these type of storms. It's just that summertime afternoon convection. Same thing on Thursday, nothing new. And then we'll continue to watch that trough back off to the west. Here's Friday. And here's the cold front associated with it. You see the cold front back off to the west, and by, say, this is Saturday, it hasn't moved very much. But the parent low well off towards the north and east. I'm just having a hard time believing this at this point as far as how this is going to elongate itself. But that would likely be a very breezy day on Saturday, with a stiff southwest wind, probably 10 to 15, 20 miles per hour that afternoon. And here's Sunday, still with a stiff coastal wind at that point, as that front trails on out of here, but still better chance for showers and thunderstorms on Sunday. That'll do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update for this afternoon. We'll keep you guys updated on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Next update here by tomorrow evening. We'll also be on the television side this evening, obviously at 6 as well as 7 o'clock on WNCT, 10 o'clock on the CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. And we'll keep you guys updated on all the rain situation over on the Facebook side. Y'all have a great evening. Stay safe out there, and hopefully you won't get too much more rain over the next couple of hours. But just looking at what we got going on, it's going to be a rainy couple of hours, so be ready for that and stay safe on the roadways.